Welcome to the Pilates Show, where we explore Pilates tips and techniques to help deepen the skill level of the movement educator while having fun.
Hi, Jen and Amy here, and we're going to be looking at optimal position in a side bend, and we're going to be cueing our anterior oblique sling. So Amy's going to bring her arms and yoga block right in front of her forehead. And shoulders are square to the front, hip bones are square, and we have a yoga block here so we can cue the bottom of that diagonal so she can have some tactile feedback into that. So before she side bends, I want her to feel this expansion in a three-dimensional way, all sides of her spine. So she gets really tall in her dolphin body, and then she dives up and over on this left side, reaching into the right foot. Good. So it's important to me that the block and the arms are in the exact same position where I'd like them, right in front of the forehead. And I want her to start to connect into this anterior oblique sling. So from her serratus anterior, her external oblique, the opposite side of her internal oblique into that opposite adductor. So the block is there for her to really cue this bottom of her diagonal so she can really feel the stability in the bottom end, and then see if she can lift out of that a little bit more to find some more length in this area. And then I want her to lengthen to go back to the centered position. Good. And then keeping, even before she starts to side bend, now really feeling that anterior oblique sling, right? Like the armpit and the hip want to come together. And then she lengthens and she side dives towards me. And now I want her to keep that feeling of the anterior oblique sling. I'm going to give her a little bit of resistance that she's pushing down on. Don't lose the bottom of your anterior sling or your right foot. Try to find as much length in that bottom waist as you can, and then slowly rise up and back to your centered position and rest.
That's it for today. If you have a different take on today's subject, or if there's anything you'd like to see covered in an upcoming episode, we'd love to hear from you. Comment below on Facebook, Twitter, or in the forum at fusionpilatesedu.com. See you next time, and never stop learning.